Imagine the Quran as a giant cosmic puzzle, full of wonder. 114 chapters, 6,236 verses, and numbers like 19, 49, 237, 729, and 1,729 all arranged like a celestial mosaic. These numbers aren't just random. They're like a divine rhythm, singing about God's greatness. These patterns appear in a time without computers, yet they're so precise, so perfect, as if designed by the creator of the universe. Let's explore why these numbers are so fascinating, their sources, their rarity, their miraculous nature, and their glorification of God, while asking, where does the number 19 come from? Surah 74:30, over which are 19, refers to guardian angels, but it also appears in the opening phrase, in the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful, 19 letters. The number 49 resonates with from Surah 15:87, and we have certainly given you 7 verses that are repeated, like the 7 verses of Al-Fatiha, which becomes 7 times 7. The number 237 appears in Surah An-Naml, Surah 27:30, with 2,732 becoming 2 plus 3 plus 7 equals 12, close to 19. The numbers 729, 9 cubed, and 1,729, 10 cubed plus 9 cubed, are connected to specific verse patterns, confirmed by interpretations and the Uthmani script. These numbers aren't just digits. They're like secret codes hidden in a 7th century text, only now understood. Imagine a student in Damascus counting the letters in the opening phrase. He finds 19, checks the chapters, 113 opening phrases, plus 1 in Surah 27:30, making 114. He divides, 114 divided by 19 equals 6, the number of harmony. Calculation steps: 1. Write the opening phrase, count the letters. 2. Count the opening phrases in each chapter. 3. Divide by 19. No other text, Arab poetry, the Bible, or the Vedas has this symmetry. Or look at the 30th part. 19 chapters, a total of 49 verses. 3 chapters times 3 equals 9, 2 times 4 equals 8, and so on. And 49 equals 7 times 7. No other ancient book arranges numbers so neatly, especially without modern tools. This rarity is like finding a pearl in the ocean. Isn't that miraculous? Why? Because this pattern can't be a coincidence. Al-Fatiha has 139 letters, divided by 19 is almost 7.32, close to 7 verses, with 34 words, 2 times 17, resonating with 17 cycles of prayer. Surah Ar-Ra'd has 43 verses, a prime number, and 13 plus 43 equals 56, close to 49. Surah Yasin connects to 237 through Surah 73, 732, with the digits 2 plus 3 plus 7 equaling 12. This precision appears in 7th century Mecca, without technology, yet aligns with modern mathematical logic. The miracle is that these numbers are like God's fingerprints. No poet, mathematician, or AI can replicate this symmetry. It's proof that the Quran is from God, not a human creation. Each number is like a cosmic prayer. The number 19 in the opening phrase is praising God's mercy. The number 49 in the 30th part is singing of blessings. The number 237 from Surah 27:30 is like showing greatness. Imagine an astronaut on Mars, 2075, counting chapters. 114 divided by 19 equals 6. He reads Surah 12:1, feeling these numbers as a cosmic prayer like Surah 55:33, connecting heaven and earth. These numbers aren't just digits, they're like the universe praising God from Mecca to outer space. Even if we count repeatedly, 19 letters in the opening phrase, 49 verses in the 30th part, 237 from Surah An-Naml, the mystery never ends. Each number unlocks a new layer, like an endless puzzle. Isn't that miraculous? Why? Because this pattern isn't just mathematical, it's spiritual, scientific, eternal. It invites us to reflect on Surah 36:36, glory to him who created all the pairs. From numbers to hearts, it's glorification. Every calculation is like singing of God's unspeakable wonders. Imagine a circular puzzle with 114 pieces, the center reading Quran. The numbers 19, 49, 237, 729, 1,729 shine like pearls connected by golden lines. In the digital edition, the pieces rotate to show 114 divided by 19 equals 6. Illustration: the night sky, constellations forming the opening phrase, each star like a prayer, singing into the year 2075. The Cosmic Symphony, unveiling the mathematical wonders of the Quran, a journey into ijaz and tasbih. The universe is vast and full of mystery. Every corner holds secrets waiting to be discovered. It's filled with stars, planets, and galaxies. Each object in the night sky is part of a larger story. We explore the cosmos with telescopes and probes. This technology helps us understand more about the universe. But what if I told you there's another way to understand its secrets? A way that's deeper and more spiritual? What if these secrets are hidden within the pages of a book that has existed for centuries? For over 1400 years, the Quran has captivated hearts and minds. It's a source of inspiration and guidance. This sacred text is more than just words. It's a manifestation of profound wisdom. It's a complex tapestry of language, history, and spirituality. Every verse carries deep meaning. Many scholars believe it contains profound mathematical patterns. These patterns are not random. They are precise and intricate. Each number and verse has its unique place. It points to a deeper order in the universe. It's as if there's a hidden symphony behind every verse. Imagine the Quran as a cosmic symphony. Each verse and number is part of a larger melody. Every number is a musical note. Every verse is a melody. Together, they create perfect harmony. Together, they create a harmonious masterpiece. Like an orchestra playing in perfect unison, the Quran is a symphony that never ends. This essay will take you on a journey through these mathematical wonders. We will delve deeper into the secrets hidden within the Quran. We will explore the significance of numbers like 19, 7, 729, and 1729. Each of these numbers holds a deep and significant meaning. Prepare to be amazed by the intricate design of the Quran. Every page is a testament to infinite wisdom. On this journey, we will see how mathematics and spirituality come together to create something extraordinary. The Quran is not just a holy book, but also a breathtaking work of mathematical art. Let's embark on this journey and uncover the mathematical wonders within the Quran. Together we will discover the beauty hidden within. The number 19, a celestial signature. Let's begin our journey with the number 19. This number holds a special place in the Quran. It's like a signature, a mark of divine authorship. The Quran itself tells us, over it are 19, Quran 74:30. This refers to the angels who guard hell, but the significance of 19 runs deeper. The first revelation of the Quran consists of 19 words. The Quran has 114 chapters, which is 19 multiplied by 6. Even the number of verses between mentions of certain key terms follows multiples of 19. This precision is truly amazing. It's hard to imagine this happening by chance. This pattern points to an intentional design. It points to a creator who embedded these numbers into the Quran. The significance of 7 layers of creation. The number 7 also echoes throughout the Quran. It represents perfection. We see it in the 7 heavens and the 7 earths. This number reflects the structure of the universe with its layers and dimensions. Think of it like this. Imagine the universe as a magnificent palace. It has 7 levels, each one more beautiful than the one before. This image helps us grasp the vastness of creation. The number 7 reminds us of the power and majesty of the Creator. The Quran challenges us to ponder this mystery. Do you not consider how Allah has created 7 heavens in layers? Quran 71:15. These verses invite us to contemplate the cosmos and our place within it. It reminds us that we are a part of something much bigger than ourselves. Part 4. The uniqueness of 729, a mathematical tapestry. Now let's explore a more complex number, 729. This number is not just any ordinary number, it holds a deep secret. This number might seem random, but it is closely tied to the structure of the Quran. Every number in the Quran has its own meaning and purpose. If you add up the number of verses in each chapter of the Quran, starting from the first chapter and moving to the last, you will arrive at the number 729. This is not a coincidence, but a mathematical marvel hidden within this holy book. This pattern is not obvious at first. It requires careful observation and deep understanding to realize this mathematical beauty. It requires careful calculation and analysis. Each step in this calculation brings us closer to understanding the wonders of the Quran. It's like a secret code waiting to be cracked. Every number, every verse, every chapter is part of a bigger puzzle. The fact that this number emerges from the structure of the Quran points to its intricate design. It is proof that the Quran is not just a random collection of verses. The Quran is not just a random collection of verses. It is a masterpiece crafted with care. Each chapter, each verse, each word has its place. It is a masterpiece crafted with care. Every element in the Quran has a deep meaning and a clear purpose. Each chapter, each verse, each word has its place. This mathematical precision is proof of its divine origin. This mathematical precision is proof of its divine origin. It shows that the Quran is more than just a religious text. It is an intricate and beautiful mathematical tapestry. Part 5, The Mystery of 1729, a number of divine harmony. In this chapter, we will explore the wonders of this extraordinary number and how it connects two seemingly different worlds. Finally, let's dive into the fascinating number, 1729. This number is not only interesting mathematically, but it also holds deep meaning in a religious context. This number has a special place in both mathematics and the Quran. It's an example of how two different fields can meet at one amazing point. Mathematicians call it the Hardy-Ramanujan number. This is because the famous mathematicians G.H. Hardy and Srinivasa Ramanujan discovered the unique properties of this number. This is because it is the smallest number that can be expressed as the sum of two cubes in two different ways. In mathematics, this is an extraordinary achievement and shows the beauty and wonder of numbers. But here's the amazing part. 1729 also appears in the Quran. This shows that this number is not only important in mathematics, but also in a spiritual context. If you count the number of verses from the beginning of the Quran to the verse that mentions the word Al-Rahman, the most merciful, you will get 1729. This is an extraordinary coincidence and shows the deep connection between mathematics and religion. This connection between a famous mathematical number and a key concept in the Quran is fascinating. It shows that there is a deep harmony between the physical and spiritual worlds. This connection points to a deeper harmony between mathematics and the Quran. It's an example of how two different fields can meet at one amazing point. It's as if the Quran is revealing a hidden connection between the physical and spiritual realms. This is an example of how knowledge and faith can complement each other. This pattern challenges us to broaden our understanding of the universe and the divine. It invites us to see the world in a new way and appreciate the beauty and wonder that exists within it. Part 6, Beyond the Numbers, Seeking Deeper Meaning. While these mathematical patterns are fascinating, it's not just about the numbers. It points to something much deeper. It invites us to reflect on the message of the Quran. It encourages us to seek knowledge and understanding. The Quran challenges us to ponder its verses. Do they not contemplate the Quran, or are their hearts locked? Quran 47:24. This verse encourages us to go beyond the surface level. It urges us to delve into the message of the Quran and discover its hidden depths. These mathematical patterns are like signposts. They guide us on our journey of discovery. It reminds us that the Quran is a book full of wisdom and wonder.